Today we're back on my little pomegranate that's just starting to wake up here. You can see all the buds are starting to open, so it's time to repot it. But first I'm going to remove a few buds. They're growing in like the crotches of branches and I don't want them to start growing. I probably should have done this a few weeks ago when they first emerged rather than right before the repot, but it's a vigorous tree, it'll be alright. It is also in quite a small pot, so I've been repotting it yearly as it fills up pretty quickly. I just started by removing the moss, which there is a lot of. It must like the conditions on the surface there as it's nice and thick. But it came out the pot easily enough. It's also a solid brick, which took a real long time to rake out. Once I got all the soil off, I was left with this. This tree has been repotted a good few times now, so the root ball is pretty decent. It's a bit long here, but it's decent. It just really needs a trim, and that was about it. So you can see here after, it's pretty good. It's nice and flat and the trunk has a good flare to it at the base. I'm really happy with how this is developing, especially since in that small pot. Of course it would have done even better in something bigger, but I haven't got the space. But it does show you can still get decent results. It just might take a little bit longer. And then for some reason I wasn't happy, so I pruned it back some more. Maybe that was so I could fit it back in the small pot. I don't know, but anyway, it'll be fine, it can handle the drastic work. And then I put it back in the same pot. It's fine for now, but it will need to be upgraded in a few years. It's going to start to outgrow this. In April it looks like it's absolutely bursting to life. Some of those new shoots are long enough to be pruned already, but I'm going to give it a bit of time to recover. In May it's completely out of control, which is a bit of a surprise as so many of my trees did nothing last year. So I'm going to prune it. I think this might have been the only tree I pruned last year, which is kind of crazy. But anyway, I just shortened everything back. And then after, it looks decent. You can see the direction it's going in. There's still a lot of work to do, but a couple of years ago this was just a piece of fruit I bought in the supermarket, so it's come a long way. But then after this it seemed to join the other trees and didn't do too much, which is annoying, but at least it did something at the start of the season. So there's no real change over the summer. Well, I guess it did grow back a little, but nothing too aggressive. I was kind of hoping for a late push in September, but that didn't seem to happen. But it still seems healthy enough, so I guess it's fine. Things will be slowing down in October. I usually really start lowering the light levels here just to get it ready for winter. And you'll see it starts to shut down. It doesn't put on much of a show. The leaves kind of just go yellow and drop off, but never all at the same time, which is kind of here what you see in November. Some of them are green, some of them are yellow, and some of them are already off. But here in December it's dormant, and I actually put out in the shed after this. In February it's still in the shed. And here it is now. It needs to come back inside, or maybe I did that the other day. But you can see spring is near, it's starting to show signs of life, but we'll see that in the next video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.